In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add affiliate links to your Shopify store. Let's say that you're selling products and you want to set up affiliates so that influencers or anyone can promote the product and earn a commission so that you can generate more revenue. That's exactly what I'm going to do and show you in this video. Alright, so you want to go to your Shopify store, click on apps, then click visit the Shopify app store right there. And there we go. So if you're on a new store, you would need to choose your account. So this is just a test account that I set up, but there we go. Click on OK, and then what you want to do is simply search for affiliate, just like that. That should be enough, and then there we go. So you'll find all of the apps that are available. Now you'll see that some of them do have free plans available, others do have free trials. So the one I recommend using is this one, Affiliate Marketing Go Affiliate Pro. Click Add App right there. You can see it has a 4.8 star review out of 5 with more than 1100 reviews. So this is definitely a great app. So you want to click Add App on the store, which is then going to install on your actual store. So just a moment. This might take a while, but it shouldn't. Should be done in just a few minutes. Let's see. Okay, so you can see it's installing right now. We can see the bar going, and there we go. Click Install App, and please wait again. There we go. And there we go, installation was successful. Click Get Started. You can then pretty much set this up. So how familiar are you with affiliate marketing? This all depends on you. I'm not sure who you are right now, right? But just go through all of this. So I'm just gonna do just like that. Create new affiliate account. Click on that link and you can then go ahead and create an account. And this is also what you can send to your influencers or the people that you want to promote your products, right? So what you can do is simply go to dashboard, skip setup for now, and this is where you can set up the affiliate portals. So if you want to start working with a new promoter, influencer, whoever that may be, you can send them a link and they can then sign up for an account and they can then start promoting your products that are in your store. And you can then see who's actually selling that. And then right there, you can also see the stats from those affiliates. So you can see how many orders they've generated, the revenue, and how many affiliates you have for 24 hours, 7 days, and then also 30 days. Now, they will guide you through the entire process. You can see, you can change links, you can do all of it. But the main thing here is simply click right there. It will then send them to your affiliate portal and they can then start working with that specific platform and create their accounts. So that's how you can set up affiliate links for your Shopify products for new affiliate promoters. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. Let me know if you have any questions and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.